does not make you a bad Christian. It only is concerned with your soul also, with you, your Lord sa ating lahat. And we always want to do things as we please.
Well, listen. The church should be the safest place to talk about mental health issue. This church should be a place where I could openly say na, help me, I am depressed. Help me, I am worried. Help me, I am battling with anxiety. Where we do not condemn a person if they are feeling that way and tell them, sama ka, Christian ka ba, dili? No. This should be the safest place to talk about mental health issue. And remember this, if you have a mental health, kung meron kang problema po sa pag-iisip, hindi pong nabuang ka, yung may depressed ka, yung anxious ka, yung worried ka, at lahat ng mga yun, listen, it does not make you a bad Christian. It only makes you a human. Tao ka. It is not necessarily the sign of weak ang iyong faith. Kasi kahit everyday ka sabihin, Lord, fill me with your Holy Spirit, pero maya-maya nag-worry ka. It does not make you weak ang faith mo. It does not even make you a spiritual failure. It is only a signal that a part of you, spirit ba, or soul ba, or body, needs healing. You are saved, but God still not finished with you. Hindi pa po tapos si Lord sa ating lahat. And He's working in every area of our lives to conform us to Christ-likeness. God is not only concerned with our salvation, but He is concerned with our whole being. He is concerned with your soul. He is concerned with your body. It includes your emotion, your psychological, your social well-being. Alam niyo po, when we talk about your mind or talk about your soul, we are talking about your inner world. Yung ano pong nangyayari dito sa loob. Pag sinabi po natin ng mental health, your inner world po pinag-uusapan natin. It is how you think. How you handle pressure. How you respond po sa iba-ibang crisis po sa buhay mo. God is holistic. He is not only concerned with your spirit, your connection with God in true worship, prayer, and dependence upon God. He is concerned with your soul also. Your mind, how you think, your emotion, how you react to things that is happening in your life. He is concerned with your will. Because lahat po tayo is ipinanganak po tayo na matigas ang ulo po natin. We are stubborn po. And we always want to do things as we please. Kahit meron na yung Holy Spirit sa'yo, kahit ang yung tinanggap, everyday sinasabi mo, Holy Spirit, come and fill me, and guide me, and tell me what to do. Pero, anong ginagawa natin? Stubborn pa rin tayo. Gusto pa rin natin gawin kung anong gusto natin gawin. Yung body natin, our actions, yung pong mga habits natin sa buhay, and how we live our Christian life. Kasi yung itong body po natin, ito po ang nagko-convey, ito po ang gumagalaw, ito po ang nag-a-action. At dito po sa body natin nakikita kung ikaw ba'y Christian o hindi. The way you talk, the way yung mga action po natin. God is concerned with our whole person wholeness. And He wanted to heal all of these things. Hindi lang po na-save ka, but the whole body po natin, the whole personality po natin is nagbago rin. And the battleground is always in the mind.